like if your goal is you want the person to use Adobe Spark, like in your example, and they start using it, like you just gotta be happy. Like you met your goal with that teacher, whether or not they included you in the process, they took to it. They have accepted this and your goal is met.
Exactly. It's not about you. It's the same with your students. I mean, if they're starting to use a technique or something that you've taught them, you're not there for the credit. Like you're not doing that so that they would say, oh yeah, it was, so-and-so taught me this. No. They've got this now.
Right.
And like, that is the reward. Otherwise, why are we teaching? Like, that's the reward, is the fact that they've gone off and done something.
Right. That's a good point. We need to look at it kind of the way we look at it from the classroom. Like if you're a math teacher and you see your kids multiplying correctly, you're not expecting them to come back and say, hey, man, thanks for teaching me how to multiply. Like you just go, great, I taught it. They get it. Right.